Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Yamaha oil filter is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining the longevity and peak performance of your Yamaha engine, ensuring that every ride is as smooth and powerful as the first. This filter is engineered with precision to trap contaminants like dirt, metal particles, and sludge before they can circulate and cause wear and tear on vital engine parts, safeguarding your investment and providing peace of mind on every journey. Investing in a quality oil filter like this Yamaha 69J13440-03 is not just a maintenance task, it's a commitment to the enduring health and optimal function of your motorcycle, boat, or other Yamaha-powered equipment. Number 5. Yamaha Oil Filter 5GH13440-71-00. Introducing the Yamaha Oil Filter, Part Number 5GH13440-71-00. This is a high-quality OEM oil filter designed to protect your engine. You can trust the protection it provides for your engine. It's built to keep your engine running smoothly and reliably. This filter features an increased dirt-holding capacity. This means it can capture more contaminants before needing replacement. It also offers high particle size retention. This ensures that even small particles are effectively filtered out. The package dimensions are 2.76 inches long, 2.72 inches wide, and 2.72 inches high. Its compact size makes installation convenient. What we like. This filter offers superior engine protection with its high particle retention. It boasts an increased dirt-holding capacity, ensuring cleaner oil for longer. If you're looking for reliable, long-lasting engine health and want to minimize wear, this is an excellent choice for your Yamaha. What people say. This filter is a direct replacement for the OEM filter and fits perfectly. The filter material is high quality and seems to trap contaminants effectively. It provides excellent filtration and keeps the oil clean for longer periods. Number 4. Yamaha OEM Oil Filter 69J13440-04-00-4. Introducing the Yamaha OEM Oil Filter, Part Number 69J13440-04-00-4. This is a genuine part designed for your Yamaha engine. Ensure optimal performance and longevity with this authentic Yamaha component. It's built to meet the high standards of your marine equipment. Please note that this part, 69J13440-04-00-4, has been superseded. The latest version is now 69J13440-05-00. For the most current and improved specifications, we recommend choosing the newer part number. This ensures you have the latest technology. Trust in Yamaha's commitment to quality. This oil filter replacement will help maintain your engine's health and provide reliable operation. This part serves as a direct replacement for your existing filter. It's designed for a perfect fit and easy installation into your Yamaha system. What we like. This is a genuine Yamaha OEM part, ensuring perfect compatibility and performance. It's a direct replacement for your existing filter, offering peace of mind. If you prioritize using authentic Yamaha components to maintain your engine's integrity and warranty, this is the one to get. What people say. This filter is a direct replacement for my Yamaha F250 V6. It fits perfectly and is easy to install. Number 3. Yamaha Oil Change Kit #69J13440-03-00. Keep your Yamaha running smoothly with this essential oil change kit. It's designed to maintain optimal performance and longevity for your engine. This kit contains all the necessary components for a complete oil change. You'll find the right oil, a high-quality filter, and new spark plugs. The included oil is formulated to provide superior lubrication and protection. It ensures your engine operates efficiently under various conditions. A clean oil filter is crucial for engine health. This replacement ensures that contaminants are effectively removed, keeping your oil pure. Fresh spark plugs ensure reliable ignition and optimal combustion. Replacing them with this kit will help maintain consistent power delivery. Performing your own oil changes is made simple with this comprehensive kit. It's a convenient way to take care of your Yamaha's maintenance needs. What we like. This is a convenient all-in-one oil change kit. It includes the oil filter, oil, and spark plugs, simplifying your maintenance. If you want to get all your essential service items in one purchase and save time, this kit is perfect for a hassle-free oil change. What people say. This filter is a direct fit for my Yamaha F250. The filter housing is sturdy and the gasket seals well. Number 2. Yamaha Oil Filter 69J13440-04-00. Ensure your Yamaha engine runs smoothly with this genuine oil filter. It's designed for optimal performance and protection. This is the specific part number for the filter you need. It's a direct replacement for your existing unit. This is a genuine Yamaha part, ensuring the quality and reliability you expect from the brand. It's sold individually. We recommend verifying fitment to ensure compatibility with your specific Yamaha model. This helps guarantee a perfect match. This filter supersedes the previous part number 69J13440-03-00. It offers the latest design and performance enhancements. What we like. This oil filter is a direct replacement and supersedes an older part number, indicating an updated or improved design. It ensures you're getting the latest specification for your engine. If you need to replace your filter and want the most current version from Yamaha, this is the appropriate selection. What people say. The filter is a direct fit for my Yamaha F200, no issues with installation. It effectively removes debris and keeps the oil clean, ensuring optimal engine performance. The construction feels robust and durable, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 1. Yamaha SVHO WaveRunner Oil Change Kit. Keep your Yamaha WaveRunner running at its best. Using genuine OEM parts ensures optimal performance and longevity for your watercraft. This kit provides everything you need for a complete oil change. It includes high-quality oil, spark plugs, and an OEM oil filter. Specifically designed to fit all SVHO Yamaha models from 2014 onwards. This ensures a perfect fit and reliable operation for your specific model. The kit comes with 4 quarts of premium Yamaha 10W40 oil. This ensures your engine is properly lubricated and protected. It also includes 4 NGK LFR7A spark plugs. These are designed for reliable ignition and efficient combustion. A genuine Yamaha oil filter is included to ensure effective filtration. This helps maintain the cleanliness of your engine oil. If you have any questions about fitment for your specific model, please confirm before making your purchase. We're here to help. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides genuine OEM Yamaha parts, including Yamaha oil and NGK spark plugs, specifically for SVHO WaveRunner models. It guarantees peak performance and compatibility for your high-performance watercraft. If you own a 2014 plus SVHO Yamaha WaveRunner and want to ensure it runs at its best with the correct, high-quality components, this kit is tailor-made for you. What people say. This filter is a direct replacement for the original Yamaha part. It fits perfectly on my Yamaha F150 outboard motor. The filter material seems to be of good quality and effectively traps debris. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.